In this video, I'm going to walk through some of the agent types available when building a new agent. The agent type templates that you see here are the agent types that we have access to in the free developer org to get to the screen that we're on right now. From setup, in the quick find box, search Agentforce agents and then click on that. From here, click on the new agent button. All right, so now we're back to where we started. So as you can see, we're presented with a bunch of different agent types. Again, this isn't every agent type that Salesforce offers, but it's a realistic view of the agent type templates that you're likely to see in a real org. The two most important agent types that I want to highlight are the Agentforce employee agent and the Agentforce service agent. These are the most important because these two agent types are likely the ones that you'll build and customize the most. Considering a large majority of Agentforce use cases leverage these agent types, at a high level, employee agents are designed for internal employees, while service agents are designed to be customer-facing. Just knowing that alone will help you quickly determine which one you need for your particular use case. So let's go ahead and review each. The Agentforce employee agent helps employees do things such as find information in Salesforce, complete tasks, and get personalized support while working in Salesforce. These agents come pre-configured with topics and actions for many use cases. What makes them especially powerful is that they run in the logged-in user's context, meaning they follow the same permissions and org securities based on the user's role. For example, a sales manager can use the same employee agent as a sales rep user, but they'll each see only the level of data and org details permitted by their role. Another benefit of employee agents is that they can be created as multiple agents, each assigned to specific users, profiles, or permission sets. So you might have an individual employee agent for several different personas, depending on their department or line of work. This makes them ideal for things such as department-specific workflows, IT support, HR requests, or other workflows such as finance or operations. So again, if you're looking to build an agent that helps employees do work inside Salesforce, this should be your go-to agent template. I do want to call out, Salesforce originally established the Agentforce default agent for employee assistance, but that agent's being phased out, and Salesforce now recommends migrating to the Agentforce employee agent. I call that out because many of the Trailhead modules still mention the Agentforce default agent. So if we move on to the service agent, the Agentforce service agents are customer-facing. They're built to do things such as support customers through messaging and digital channels, so think Experience Cloud. They're also used to resolve common support requests, and these agents can also escalate to human service reps when needed. This makes these agents ideal for things such as case deflection, answering FAQs, and status checks and common service tasks that customers often need. So again, in short, employee agents help your internal users, while service agents help your customers. Outside of these two agent types, the other agent types listed here are more specialized agent types. For example, Agent for Setup. Agent for Setup is built for Salesforce admins. It's supposed to help with everyday admin tasks, finding documentation via Salesforce help articles, and navigating setup more efficiently. Instead of digging through the setup menu or documentation, admins can ask this agent questions in a natural language and get contextual guidance through this agent type. There's also this security agent. The security agent helps detect, investigate, and respond to suspicious activity in your Salesforce org. It can identify things like unusual login behavior, data exports, and permission changes. When something odd happens in your org, the agent can summarize an alert, guide the user through an investigation, and then propose tailored remediation steps. We also have this flow automation agent. This agent's focused on Flow Builder, and its primary job is to summarize flows and help users understand what a flow does. This agent type is especially useful in complex orgs, where flows can grow large and be hard to interpret. We also have this knowledge space agent. To be completely transparent, I don't have much information on this agent type since Salesforce doesn't have a lot of documentation on it. But based off the information I found, I believe this agent is related to Data 360 and is responsible for grounding and summarizing data using that product. And then lastly, there are several Slack-specific agents that are listed here. Rather than explaining each one, just know that Slack agents help employees find answers, they help employees onboard faster, and they help employees prepare for customer meetings, all without leaving Slack. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, there are several other agent types that are not shown on this screen. This is a Salesforce help article that I'll link in the description below. It outlines several of the agent types and considerations, some of which we've discussed in this video. So key takeaways for this video: Agentforce isn't just one agent, it's a library of agent types, each optimized for a specific role, audience, and channel. Employee agents help internal users, while service agents support customers. Understanding which agent types to use and why is the first step to building effective Agentforce solutions. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into how these agent types connect to topics, actions, permissions, and real-world use cases. So that's all I have for this video. Thank you all for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.